In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use your Microsoft Authenticator verification code on iPhone. This quick walkthrough will help you complete sign-ins that require two-step verification. The Microsoft Authenticator app generates a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. That short timer is by design. It keeps your account safer by ensuring each code can only be used once and only for a moment. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your iPhone. Locate the app icon on your home screen or in your app library, then tap to launch it. When the app opens, you'll see a list of accounts you've previously added. If you're not on the main list, tap back until you are, so you can clearly see all your saved accounts in one place. Next, tap the account you want to use for this sign-in. If you have multiple accounts in the app, look for the label that matches the service you're signing into, such as your work, school, or personal account. Choosing the correct one matters because each account has its own unique code. After you select the right account, you'll see a 6-digit verification code on the screen. It's usually displayed clearly, often with a small countdown indicator or progress ring nearby. Because the code refreshes frequently, check the timer before you use it. If only a second or two remains, let it roll over to the next code so you have the full window of time to type it. Remember, this is a one-time code. Keep it private and never share it. Now switch back to the website or app where you're signing in and enter the 6-digit code exactly as shown. There are no spaces or letters, just numbers. Type carefully and submit before the timer expires. If the code is rejected, don't worry. Wait for the next code to appear and try again. Small typos or an expired code are the most common reasons for an error. It also helps to make sure your iPhone's date and time are set automatically, since accurate timekeeping is essential for these codes to work. That's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap the correct account, find the 6-digit code, and enter it where prompted. With a little practice, you'll move through these steps in seconds. If you continue to have trouble, double-check that you selected the right account and that you're entering the most current code. Once you get the hang of the timing, it becomes a smooth and secure part of your sign-in routine.